Roaster. There are two roaster. One roaster and two roaster. Okay. Roasters are starting with capital letter R. So, what's capital letter R? Capital letter R. Sorry, we don't have any capital letter R. So, we start this with small letter R. But remember, roaster R is starting with capital letter R. So, R, next to letter O, O, and another letter is O, O, next letter is S, S, next letter is T, here is T, next letter is E, so where is E, 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 and the last letter is also R, here is R. Okay, so we have to remember the first letter must have been capital letter R, but we don't have any capital letter R, so we use small letter R. So R, double O S T E R, roaster.